This video is a video walk around of my home studio, starting off with the HP LE8570P. Got a good price a while back. It's got Reaper on it. It's got the PRS Archon plugins. It's got EZdrummer 2, and it suits everything I need to do. I got these Mackies. They're like $100. They're awesome. Stevie T has them, and he obviously likes them and I like them. That's my light. And Boba Fett, lets us know when we're actually recording. So if I have headphones on and people come into the room and they see that light on, they know, don't fuck with me. Starting off over here, I have everything plugged into my Furman power conditioner, and I power mostly everything other than this Furman power conditioner too. I have the Focusrite Scarlett 18i20. It's the one with the 8 preamps and 20 plugins, blah blah blah. It's pretty awesome. I love it. It's huge. It has this little meter to show me if I'm peaking or not, which is pretty awesome, because the one I had before was this one, the Scarlett i2, and they had the little lights to show if I was peaking or not. With this one, doesn't have the lights, but it has this meter, which is cool, which I kind of prefer better, because if I have multiple going on, I can control them from up here. The plugins are in the back, except for these two, and they're the hybrid one. You can plug in the jack or the cord or the XLR. And that's my bass head. It's like 1980 something Ampeg SVT Pro. I plugged this into this thing. I can get my bass tones through here. It's kind of noisy because it's from the 80s, but it literally gives me all the bass growly tones I ever want. Full control. I don't need to plug in anything. It's all state, so I don't have to plug into a cab. I can just plug it directly into this thing. Down here, I got a rack that holds a full-size head and also holds units. Right now, I have my buddy's a B52 down there. He let me use it for practice, but it's noisy as fuck, which is great. It's just gnarly, super gnarly. Great head. If you're looking for metal, fast-paced metal, or like punk rock, then I got a Tiny Terror. They discontinued that orange. Amazing head. 15 watts, the 7 watt. It's got a little switch. Great for metal, rock and roll, ska, everything. I think it's just a freaking beast. Here is a fake Marshall. I had that Marshall thing, logo thing from my Marshall 212s, which they fell off and I didn't want to put it back on, so I kept it in here. This is actually a Fender 1993 Fender. It's got Eminence speakers. Right now I don't use these for recording as much, but I like to whenever I need some extra girth. So I have that one. I have this orange 4x12. It's great at Vintage 30s. Amazing. Sorry for the cable. Amazing freaking sound. It's nice, deep, warm. My dream freaking cabinet, to be honest. I've been wanting this thing forever. Got a great deal for it. I got it with a case, actually, with a road case, and I'm using that for stage gear, obviously, because I need it on the road. But now I just put this wood on top and use it as my desk. Then I have my buddy / brother, Alex. It's a Marshall JCM90 Lead 1960 412s. It's got the Celestion G1275s. Fantastic. Great live speakers. I kind of want to mix these two. Take 2 Vintage 30s out and put them in there. Take 2 of those and put them in here. And have both just with killer speakers. It's our old Roadhead case. So I got this thing on Facebook for like $11. Pretty good buy. Right now I'm using it as my headphone and guitar cable holder because it's sort of like getting out of my way. This one, professional broadcast one, got it from Sweetwater. I love it. It has an XLR already attached to it. Got the little pop filter. That thing normally has a Shure SM7B on it. The ones like all the podcasters use, like Joe Rogan. Right now it's on loan. I have a buddy of mine using it for that band's vocals. Extra guitar stand. Microphone stand. And then I have my guitars, like that one right there. It's my PRS Santana. I put a tuner pickup thing on it, so I could tune without a tuner. It's got the Juggernaut pickup, by Bare Knuckles, the Misha Mansour one. I just picked up this Rob Chapman Guitars baritone, 28 length. Freaking awesome! It's got pull pot on it, which turns these into single coil. And Rob actually signed it for me, and he played it. I'll insert a video of him playing it. Yeah!
It works!
Nah, it's beer. Nah, I used to. Superhero landing.
Woo! It's hard on the knees, by the way.
Thank you.
Yeah!
This is yours now.
Oh, fuck yeah!
Thank you. Congratulations on a beautiful guitar.
Oh, yeah. Thank you for making it.
You are more than welcome.
In 1991, it's a reissue. It's Epiphone. It's a Flying V pink, a hot pink. 1969 or 1979 reissue. I love it. Freaking fantastic. So this one is in drop C. This one is in E standard. Then the 7/7 string Ibanez, it's in A. Then I have my Gibson Grabber. I freaking love this thing. Best thing about it, freaking pickup slides up and down. It's made in like late 70s. It was the direct competition for this guitar, the P-Bass. This is a regular old P-Bass. That's when I went on tour with me. It's been on records, blah, blah, blah. I did my own strap locks with a quarter strap lock. I did my own strap lock with a washer. This does not have a strap yet. This one has that one. And yeah, so far that's my home studio. I love it. It suits the needs I need to do and all the bands I need to record. I'll have some samples pretty soon. Thanks for checking it out.